Hey guys, quick review of this camping stool. Let's see how exactly this works. This is from XPLR Camp. So this is supposedly compressible, and as you can see, this is pretty crazy. So this is like a, how do you say that, accordion. So I'm not sure how you get it to actually lock. Oh, it looks like you twist it to the right. Boom, so there you can see, that appears to be pretty sturdy. Let's get this over here and I'm going to try to sit on it. So yeah, nice and sturdy, relatively comfortable, and let's try to compress it back down. You just pull out and then over, and then boom, you got your stool again. So pretty nice. And I didn't see this before. It's got finger holes, which definitely makes the expanding much easier. So overall, a pretty cool stool. Definitely check it out, guys.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.